Hey guys! So today I'm here with my little cousin Jamison, or as we fondly call her, Jason. And today we are going to be giving her a makeover. And she told me that her favorite color is purple. So we're going to be using purple today. We're going to start off with some concealer. Okay, we're going to put some concealer on her eyes. And then I'm going to blend that out with this brush. I'm going to set that down with my Koty Airspun powder. Then I'm going to go into the Morphe 35P palette. I'm going to pick up this color right here. Excuse the broken shadows. Okay, and then I'm going to start building it a little bit darker. And I'm going to go in with this color. I'm gonna get a little bit of a more precise brush and go even darker with this color here. I'm gonna place this on the outer V. Then I'm going to go in with one of the Colourpop Super Shock shadows, and this is the color Stereo. And I'm going to place this in the outer half of the eyelid. Then I'm going to go back in with that first brush we started with and blend that into the crease a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Super Shock in Crimper, and I'm going to put this on the inner half of the eyelid. And I'm going to blend that in with my pinky to Stereo to create like a diffused merge there. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of brow gel. She doesn't need it to be filled in, obviously. She's not in the plucking stage of her life yet. And I'm just going to brush her hairs up. For primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And then for foundation, we're going to be using the Becca Aqualuminous Perfecting Foundation, and this is in the color Fair. She's a lot darker than me, so I had to pull out of Anna's makeup stash. And then for concealer, I'm going to go back into the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And then I'm going to go ahead and set her entire face with the Koty Airspun powder. And next I'm going to go in with contour. And like I said, since she's a little darker than me, I'm going to go into the NYX Highlight and Contour palette. And I'm going to use this color right here. Just a little bit. Alright, do like a duck face. So I ran out of storage. I went ahead and blended out her contour. And now we're going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and Sunkissed Bronzer. Smell it. What's it smell like?
Sunscreen.
It smells like summer.
Sunscreen.
Smells good though. And then for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Lorac highlighter in Daylight. And then I'm going to do blush. I'm going to use the Revlon powder blush in Naughty Nude.
Naughty Nude.
Yep. This is where a parent would be like, did I hear nude? Now I'm going to go back into the Morphe 35P palette. I'm picking up that first color we used. I'm going to run this all along her lower lash line. Look up. Then I'm going to go in with the next color. I'm going to run that along her lower lash line as close to her lashes as I can get it. Then going back into the last color from this palette that we used, and I'm just going to put this on the outer corner of her lower lash line. Then the last step for eyeshadow is to go back into Crimper from Colourpop and put this on the inner corner of her lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with mascara. For Jamison, I'm going to use the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. And out of all the mascaras that I have tried, this is probably the one that comes the closest to being up there with the Better Than Sex mascara. The very last step is going to be lip gloss. We're going to use the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Cushion Lip Gloss, I think is what it's called. And this is in the shade Midnight Cowgirl. Alright, that is it for Jamison's makeover. What do you think? Give you a mirror. What do you think?
I like it.
Is it pretty?
Mm-hmm.
What was your favorite part of this makeup look?
The eyeshadow.
The eyeshadow? Which one? Which color is your favorite? Do you like the sparkly colors the best? I thought so. So make sure you like this video if you enjoyed watching this makeover today, and comment down below if you think we should keep doing the makeover thing, because we can turn it into a series. We're kind of doing that anyways without asking. So, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can keep seeing all our cool videos. We have some vlogs coming up and lots of summer antics, so subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you always know when we post a new video. And as always, thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.